guys, I'm at Eiffel Tower. I don't know, I decided to come in the evening so that I can actually like see how it looks at night as well.
I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts. Wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah. Make spread together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away. You and me go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii.
At this point that I ask myself, am I scared of heights? Because I can see everywhere now from this particular spot. You can see like the whole building. Like, I don't know. I'm meant to still go up. This is the second floor. I'm meant to still go up. I don't want my phone to fall down. Like, I'm being careful. But like, let me show you guys like where my view. Can you see like the down part, the road, and then like the water.
Take now, we're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away. Yeah, we're going away. You and me. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. In Hawaii. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town where we never feel high, just slow. We won't ever come down. We won't ever come down low. I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight.
I really love the view. The view is so beautiful. I wish I'll be able to wait till like evening time so I can see the beauty of Eiffel Tower at night.
Me breaking your sweat, you're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me. I got you wrapped around my finger, but don't you try to call me tomorrow. There's nothing personal in having a little fun. You wait and see if it's worth your while. So give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me.
It's a country for Slava, Ukraine. And then with the beautiful light. Like, it's very serene. It's getting a bit dark.
Take a hand, you got a free pass. Oh, try to hide it, but you had me from the get-go. Let me be frank, I'm not that complicated. If you need me, what's the use of playing games? No, there's no denying what we want. Just watch me break.
Several days later.